Good morning, people. And we are back to another episode of the cooking show. At Extra, we're going into Extra now. The favorite supermarket of them all. Yeah, people.
The lovely, fantastic, absolutely extra supermarket.
And today we're gonna cook. It's gonna be a bit of Italian, eh? Italian cuisine.
Yes.
Hey, you.
He gave me hit a bump.
Italian cuisine. We're gonna cook pasta with meat sauce and sausage. You have tasted it before, eh? How's your taste?
Meat is.
How's your taste of the pasta?
Because if you cook that pasta, meat is not good. Today I'm gonna cook the.
Oh, you gonna cook this time?
Yeah.
And people, I don't know why here in Fiji they have a hard time like park between the space, you know, of the line. Some people like to use 2 lines, you know, and just park wherever they want to park. Anyways, it's not gonna be completely like, you know, authentic pasta meat sauces they do in Italy, but you know, it's gonna
This
be.
is Fijian Italy pasta.
Yes, a combination with the Danish, yeah? How we do it in Denmark, you know. But we're gonna go and cook for some guests, eh? Well, some guests
Yeah,
arriving.
we have some guests arrived from here, from Black Rock.
Black Rock.
Black Rock na ini kan?
Yes, like you go to Black Rock, they are from Black Rock.
They arrived this morning and they gonna have lunch at home. You're gonna see them.
The soldier.
Rambuning on of this boy.
So we're gonna go cook for them, eh? Yeah. Because this girl said, "Hey, we have to cook for the soldiers," you know.
Who's good?
You.
Fuck you.
You must say to me, "Let's cook for the soldiers." So that's mean you are our girl today.
Fuck you.
Okay, let's go.
Hello people, the sponsor of today is the Hawaiian cover.
If you wanna buy cover, you can email us. The email address is the bottom. Enjoy the video.
People, the first thing we need is some onion, eh? Some onion. What?
The best, the more I, the more taste.
Yeah, just take 2 onions. Not too much. Okay, people, the next thing we need is some sausage, you know. We wanted to make the meat sauce meaty, you know. Throw some sausage in there. Me and the boys back in Denmark, we always used to do that after American football training. If we ate together and made pasta with meat sauce. Some sausage too, eh? To make it meaty. What kind of sausage? What sausage is that?
Chicken meat, chicken fat.
Yeah, take that. Let's go. Chicken for you. And now, people, we're gonna go and find some mince. Eh? You love mince? You like mince?
Yeah, I like mince. You have tried mince balls?
Balls?
Steamed mince balls.
No, that's your favorite, I hear.
Eh, tangan ko nakakain.
Ito, gusto ko yun, chico.
Mendo.
Merua. Where's the mince from?
That means here is from Ley Mylands.
Ley Mylands. Okay.
Thank you, Lele.
Okay, let's go and find some tomato puree and pasta sauce. Eh?
You go for
You show the way.
So people have 2 different kind of pasta. We try this one at the village. Eh? We try this one. Now you want to try the long stick pasta.
You have tried the long stick one? Or? No. The first time. We have tried it home in Suva. You like to do
2.
Two.
Long stick pasta.
Long stick pasta. And here. Which one?
This one.
That one. What flavor is that? You have to check the flavors.
This one is rock chili.
Oi.
This one is tomato iron.
Take the one with the garlic, eh?
Garlic.
The one with the garlic.
Have you gonna garlic?
You have to look. That's garlic.
Garlic, tomato, carrot. Total lang rin kung natampitin. Second.
You're good.
Go.
Here. Okay, choose one more. You choose this second one. Okay, so now we have our pasta sauce.
What else?
What else? Maybe some tomato puree. But even some puree. If they have puree, people.
Go.
What? Small one. There's no small can.
Small can tal.
Okay, take the tomato puree. One. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
People, we have finished the chicken sausage. We're gonna try the Chinese sausage. Eh?
Yeah, Chinese sauce.
Chinese sausage. You like Chinese sausage? That's it, people. That's extra for you. We didn't need much today because some of the ingredients you already have at home. But Jose said to me, the most important thing is to buy Chinese sausage because that's his favorite.
Your name favorite?
But yeah, man, extra.
Such
Always
a lovely.
such a lovely extra. No, it's a good supermarket, man. People, we are now back in our city kitchen. And now, Jose, you're gonna cook first.
Me gonna cook, and you gonna let me know how to cook.
No, I don't know how to cook this. You're gonna explain the ingredients. Show us the ingredients for today.
Here is our first ingredient is our long stick pasta.
Non-stick pasta. No, the name of it is not pasta. It's written right here. What's that?
Spatanini.
Okay, next one. Next.
Spatanini.
Yo.
And
Next.
the next one is the pure tomatoes, product of Italian Fijian.
Oi. Tomato puree.
Tomato puree.
Oi.
Puree. And the iron
Oi, the iron
from extra
supermarkets.
supermarkets.
Oi, the iron.
From extra supermarkets.
And what's
And
that?
we have the oregano leaves.
Oi, show it to the camera. Oh, oi. Oregano leaves.
Oregano leaves.
Oi.
Mixed with the duruana leaves.
Oi, maruana leaves. And what's
And
that?
the dolmiono.
Oh, dolmiono. Dolmiono.
We have 2 cans of dolmiono.
Oi.
Mixed with this can have tomato, purple garlic, and iron.
Oi. What else?
And this one is only garlic, red garlic.
Oi.
See, this is the picture of the pasta we're gonna make.
Oi, that's it.
Yeah. And then the bacon.
With the bacon.
Stretch your bagan
Oi. Sticky bacon
Sticky
from
bacon.
Leyma Lands.
from Himalayas.
Oi.
Sugar is the
The
energy. The energy is 2,430.
Boy!
Energy.
Oi.
Boy, you eat
Boy.
this bacon, you can walk from Subo to Nusur.
Oi.
And
Super
the
donoso.
protein is 13.76.
Boy, that's good protein.
The fat of the total is
Okay, what else?
and in,
Oi, that's your favorite, eh?
this is
No,
number
you-
one Chinese sausage.
Very cool. Oi, Chinese sausage.
Yeah.
Oi.
See, this is the bed number 31. And the mince
Oi.
from the Leylands too.
Oi, from the Leylands too.
This is the rib of the cow.
Oi. And that one.
And this one is our lovely garlic.
Garlic.
White garlic.
Oi, white garlic. So what are we gonna do first?
We're gonna pound the garlic.
Oi, pan the garlic. And I will cut the onion, eh? We're gonna use all 3 onions. So
Oh, yeah.
what? Oi.
Only 3 to 2.
Oh, 3 to 2.
Yeah.
Oh, 3 to 2 combination.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. See you when we see us.
See you. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Add some salt
Oh, add some salt to the garlic. Oh,
to make the garlic not come out.
Oh, you want to keep the garlic inside?
Because your tambil is not big enough.
Oh, this is the garlic tambil.
Garlic tambil.
Oi.
And this is the pounding tambil.
Oh. After that, you lost the garlic.
Lost me.
Oh, you pound the garlic, I cut the onion, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I pound the garlic and you do all that thing.
Yeah. Now, no. Okay. And then you just like cut in the middle. And then you just want it small pieces like this. Look. Wow. Like that. You want to be like this, look. That's a good size. Okay, people, just finished cutting, pounding the garlic. And we have decided only to use 2 onion, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, look at how much onion this is, man. But again, small pieces.
The best technique of cutting onions.
There.
How about you cut the cap?
Okay, people. Now onion is ready. People, we forgot one thing. We forgot 2 things. We have to cut up the Chinese sausage and the sticky bacon, right?
I cut it.
You cut it.
This is people the first time for me to taste Chinese sauce.
Don't lie, you have tasted it before.
Wait, this one the one you fry on that day?
Yo.
Oi.
So, because you said to me you like
Oi,
Chinese
this
sausage.
is sweet.
Yeah, man. This is a very expensive sausage, man.
One here. One here, one dirty. After this, mama.
Later. We're gonna make the meat sauce very meaty, eh?
Really?
Means Chinese sausage, bacon.
Bacon. 3 combination meat.
Yeah, 3 combination meat sauce, eh?
Chinese sausage is pig and pork there. Pig pork means cow. Pig pork means cow. Last bets to cut people for your Chinese sausage.
Chinese is sausage.
Sausage son.
Oh, Chinese sausage. Chinese sausage. That's a good name for it.
Later na sausage mga
Hey. You can use your finger. Okay, and now, what's next to cut?
Bagans.
Bagans. Thank
Done.
you. That's a bagans.
This in pieces too.
That's good, eh? Because you want a meat sauce, eh?
Meat pasta. Meat sauce ng sauce.
And cut that into small pieces too. Sorry, that's okay. Yeah, good size.
Shimi.
Boom. Chef. This is Konangone chef.
This is the unbelievable Kanawani chef.
Huh?
This is the new generation.
Basic.
And people that new generation cut is always heavy. New generation cut. Now with the new generation 2024 haircut. With the king man.
Boy.
This is gonna be tasteable because you have the pig there, and this is the pork, and that is meats.
Thank you. Boy, new generation style of cutting.
Kakak lagi nggak?
This is 2024 style of cutting, people. Yeah. Set. Okay, now
Plate.
now time for to be fried, eh?
Yeah, fried.
Find the pot, your pot.
Pot. Time to put a pot
On the stove.
on the stove. We're gonna need Australian extra virgin oil.
Oh,
What a
you.
virgin oil.
Hey, the virgin olive oil.
This is open.
Hey, this is up. Go.
More. Go. Set. Ooh. This is the dangerous oil. Ita. Nanti sa kuko tu.
So what you gonna start up by frying?
Garlic.
Garlic and
Iron.
oi.
And then the sausage. Go by piece by cut.
Oi.
You know that?
Sausage, bacon, or bacon sausage, eh?
Yeah, bacon or sausage. Anyone want to go first?
Oi. Anyone want to go first? You just.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for the oil to get hotter.
Oi.
Okay, people, the oil is hot. Time to add the garlic. Ooh.
Onion.
And then the parasa. Time for the parasa.
Ooh, smells good already.
Smells. As soon as you put the iron, the thing smells good.
Why?
Smells good, eh?
Smells good.
We're gonna wait until the thing brown.
And then add in the what?
The sausage, your sausage.
Not the bacon first.
Bacon first.
It's beginning to be brown now. Eh? Yeah. Ooh, look at that lovely color. Wow. Hey, look at this big piece.
This is the one you're gonna pound the garlic like that. The one, the two big one. That's easily for the for the miracle. Let's gain the miracle. The one which crack is the one that tastes. You want the taste and want the miracle.
Oi.
Or you just want the taste.
No. May taste miracle everything. Yeah? How about now? Is it good now or
Good.
Oi. Okay. Bacon time.
Time for the bacon.
Time for your bacon. Yeah, use your hand, man.
This bacon is kakambis in the pot.
Oi, kakambis in the pot. Oi.
Look.
Boy. Ooh, the smell keeps getting better.
Photo inside.
And
Time
stir.
to stir the thing.
Oi.
Mix the garlic and the parasa and the bacon together.
Oi. Boy, look at that mix. Wonderful, unbelievable. Boy.
See, when it's too iron, the garlic and the iron mix and the bacon mix together. You see.
Man, that's why you have many wives, eh? Because you cook for them. You cook for them, they don't want to
This
leave.
is for the second marriage for Ura.
Hey.
Today. Today, his wife is coming to eat.
Beta.
It tastes this food.
Ah!
Italian Fijian pasta.
Come. Boy, looks good, eh? Smells good too.
Unbelievable. You already in heaven. The smell of this food.
Yeah.
The smell of this food take you to heaven.
Wait.
After that,
Time
for the Chinese sausage.
Chinese sausage.
The unbelievable.
Of Chinese sausage.
Let's stir.
Oi, stir the Chinese sausage. Oi. Ooh, boy.
If you hear again, you smell when the sausage go in, you go to hell. Don't go tell, don't go tell.
Boy, looks really good, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Boy, chef.
Gonna leave a little bit.
Oh, you leave a little bit.
Yeah, don't stir. You don't stir many times because the bacon will. The body of the bacon is very thin. It will be crooked when you stir.
Oi, 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 oi.
Like the body and the thing live together.
Oi. Oi, thank you, thank you.
So we're gonna leave a little bit.
Here.
After a few minutes,
Then stir it.
then stir again.
Oi.
Just like this. Just stir like this. Ping
Boy.
pong, ping pong.
Ping pong. Your ass.
Time for the mince. Eh?
Time for the beans.
Time for the mince. The mince from Lima Islands. This is how you open it.
Yo, you can use your finger to open.
Don't use the finger. I think guys, this food is 100% mature, beautiful, and unlabeled
Oi, 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 oi.
when it's already cooked.
Boy, look at that. Oh, that's the means from Lima Lands.
Lima Islands.
Hey, hey, put the other one, the other one.
The other one too. Ooh. Cosa si cano pasta, cosa cano means what pasta. Ooh, pull the pork, pull the pot. That stir.
Stir. Yeah, stir.
And until we stir, people, that means should be turning into color brown bee baby.
Oi, brown bee baby.
Yeah,
Oi.
you understood?
Yo, before you can continue, it has to turn brown, me baby.
Yeah.
Oi, oi, oi.
What?
Brown me baby. Hi, that's what you said.
Yeah, see, it's turning brown. See.
Boy, you are the best cooker, boy.
You know me.
Yeah, just let it sit for a bit. Eh?
Yeah, just mix it nicely well so the iron and the garlic and the beans and the sausage,
Oi, they drummers each other.
they touch each other, they plug each other, then it's okay.
Oi, oi, oi. They plug each other and it's okay. Boy, look at this combination. This is a really good meaty sauce.
You should crack well the meat so you can easily the taste of the everything is go inside.
Oi, 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 oi.
Okay, people, time to add a little bit salt. So it can the salt is just like the sweetest thing.
Oi, oi,
Take
oi.
all the ingredient into balance.
Oi,
Balance all the
oi, you want to balance it.
yeah. Give that tasty. Balance every.
Oi, you want to balance the sausage, the bacon,
Yeah.
the mince. Oi.
Taste in because they mix. When we put the salt, they're gonna bind it together in one taste food.
Thank you.
Thank you. That stayed nicely.
Oi, oi, oi. Put on the salt.
Wait, you don't know.
Oi, sorry, sorry, boss.
This one the salt. Check it.
We can add more later. Eh?
Close, close. You can see that means it's brown.
Yo. Now it's time for the next step.
Next step.
Oi, what step?
The next step is tomato puree.
Tomato puring.
Tomato puree. Not puree kaka.
Wait, chico.
This is just like the sauce that will make the. Just give a color.
Oi, do you want the sauce, the meat sauce, to have some color?
Have some color.
Oi, that's
Just
why.
like when you cook toffee.
Oi, that's why I use the tomato purini.
That's why you use the tomato puree.
Oi, oi, oi. Boy,
See the puree?
the purini is very red. Oi. Oh, this will definitely give it the color.
This will definitely. It's not definitely. It will definitely taste that.
Oi, then you stir.
Then it's there.
Boy.
See, it's turning dry. It's
It's turning dry. It's turning dry. Oh, you want that dry color, that sauce?
We want that dry color from the meat.
Oi, 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 oi.
Now
in
you got taste the smell in heaven again.
Oh, boy. Oh, this is good. And what now? What now?
What now?
You.
What? And after these people, the next step is you gonna add this one.
Oi.
This two cheese.
Oh,
Dominioto.
dan tomita sauce.
The domida sauce.
Oi.
This is the garlic domida sauce, and this is the tomato red iron.
Tomita
red
sauce.
Domida sauce.
Oi. Man, let's see how that tomita sauce tastes.
Smell nga
Boy, smells like tomita. Oh, you added it like that?
I didn't like this.
Boy. There you go.
Domida sauce.
Tomita, your sauce.
Second one.
Second one.
Ooh.
Boy. Look at this.
Domida sauce.
Tomita serengain. And then you stir.
And then you stir it.
Oi. Ooh, look at this tomita sauce. Oh boy. More this tomato sauce.
This domida sauce make that thing rams.
And ras.
Ras.
Oh, you see this in rakal, eh? And there's big garlic there. The whole garlic. That's the blessing.
Blessing.
Oi. Why?
Let it cook a while, eh?
You.
Because the sauce need to be buttered nicely. Because the more you cook it, the more you taste.
Oh, the more taste will come.
Yeah.
Because the flavor will cook.
The flavor will mature cook.
Oh. Hey.
Yeah. You wait for that thing to bubble up.
Oh.
Keep that distance bubble up.
Yo. Maybe you turn down the heat, eh?
Turn down the heat.
A little bit.
Okay, people, we're gonna on the second burn to burn this. This slowly to be cooked nicely, and then we boil our water here for the pasta.
Oh, there.
We're gonna wait it until it gets. Okay, people, you can see right now. That thing is smelly. That thing is smelling very unbelievable. It's time for us to add the oregano meruani leaves.
Oi, oregano marijuana leaves.
Meruani.
Oh, marijuana, sorry. Oh, boy, looks like $10 suki. Loose. Oi, boy. And then, smells fresh, eh? And then stir.
And then stay.
Oi.
Eto to kali. With it.
Smells so fresh.
Smell.
You
fresh.
can
Smell fresh, and I don't know what to say.
taste the salt, the balance, the. More salt. A little bit salt. Kachi. Hey.
Let's stir.
Stir.
Stir to mix well.
Stir your ass.
Chica.
Boy, looks good, man. Okay. Taste again the salt, the balance.
Taste, man.
Good. Now just let it cook, eh?
Let it cook. Let it be. People, the water is carrots now.
The water is caress.
Carrot is mean is boils.
It
Nice.
nicely.
And now it's time to put the pasta into the hot keres boils water. Bal-bal.
Bala na kita yan. Bal, balat.
Shimmy.
Boy!
Dude. Patuntunan ka yun.
Yung bling sunggur. One more? Oh, that's enough.
Chef, one more.
One more?
Another one here.
That's a lot.
Me? That's all you've done.
It's okay.
Put more.
Because how many we gonna be? Eat.
Yeah. This is how you do it. Select one side like that, go on top, and then do. See.
Boy! You are very, very good at cooking pasta, spaghetti. And then, what do we need now?
Leave it
Leave it for until it gets what?
until it's get malumos.
Until it gets malums. We're adding some olive oil, just a little bit.
Yeah. Just a little.
Boy!
Add some salt.
You can add some salt if you want.
Macam mana sungai kan? Add some salt because this is the Fijian Italian pasta.
Oi, the Fiji Italian pasta, pita spaghetti.
Fijian eat salt more because it's sesame of the blood sweat.
Oi, okay. Thank you. Then you just leave it.
Leave it for 10 minutes.
Oi.
See you there.
See you there in your ass.
Fuck you. Give people time to take out the water.
Boy. Good, eh?
Oh, smell good.
Oi.
Usah kayak red otul kami, usah. Hey, apa sih mana?
Tempted cheese.
Taste, man. Taste the pasta.
Taste.
Oh,
Taste.
taste,
How's the pasta?
taste.
How's the pasta?
You taste me.
Taste lah, kamu isan lu. This is
Taste
Ures
apa lu?
Bunwan.
That's my brother. Taste.
This is the third wife.
Dia dua film Muslim.
How's it? Masih minta ya?
No, enough.
How's it Woohoo!
With the cheese, yeah. Cheese, nice. Thank you very much.
Taste.
Yeah, time to taste.
Explain the flavor, the nra. Your sausage.
Sama vinegar.
Good. Eh?
Only the cheese nggak nice.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, see all the cheese nice.
Is that cheese in pizza?
Go cheese me kamu.
Okay, people, that's it for another cooking show. Until next time, man.
See you again.
Yeah, see you again.